ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। From which category? I think from D up to C we have done. All right. The last class I stopped with the dhatu. Remember jwal dhatu. Remember the doing. I think dhatu, last dhatu was jwalati. Jwalati, which is in the first group. Yeah. Here it is. Jwalati or jalpa? I don't remember.
Jalp.
Jalp, okay. Jalp, not jalp. Jalp.
Yeah,
Okay. I was explaining all the dhatus. Okay, making you see this. Keep this file open. You have this file right with you. Keep this file open so that just we can go through all the dhatus so that you will be familiar with the rules. As I told, this is little difficult, but I'll try to make it simple. But this is the only simplicity. There is no further simplicity. You have to give divide into different categories and then apply the rules. Treating the dhatus, based on the some certain similarities, dividing them into different categories and then dealing with them and applying the rules. Okay. Now here I have added some more. So we know the first and the main rule is dhatu should be set dhatu and pratyaya should be set anukula pratyaya. Set anukula pratyaya we know. The pratyaya must be a valadi adadatuka pratyaya, right? How do we know whether the dhatu is set or anit or wait? We know the rule for dhatu to be a anit. What is the rule? It should be ekach anudata dhatu. From the dhatu pata we can find out ekach anudata dhatu. So that is in the form of karika or in the form of the list is given. These are the dhatus. Many ajanta dhatus are anit. So instead of having a huge list, set dhatus are less. So we can easy, to go by we can easily remember by the set dhatu because it is less. Therefore, going by the minimum. So we are given the list of Ajanta Dhatus. These are the Ajanta Dhatus, which are said because it is less in number. Therefore, that list is better. Similarly, in the case of Halanta Dhatus, the list of maybe the state Dhatus are more. List of the Anit Dhatus are less.
Anit.
Therefore, we are giving the list of Anit Alanta Dhatus, right? That's the reason. Therefore, all the Dhatus are what? Alanta Dhatus are Ekach Anudata. That you must remember, right? It is not said, but we know that's the rule, right? Basic rule. Ekach Anudata Dhatus are Anit.
Anit.
Therefore, all these Dhatus are
Sek.
Anit.
Sek.
Okay.
Sorry, Anit.
Anit. And similarly, all the Dhatus other than the listed Dhatus here are Ajanta Dhatus. They are
Anit.
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 Okay. That you remember, because we come back, frequently come here and then refer. Okay. Remember that. And of course, we know all the Anekach Dhatus are straight. Now, then the next thing is, regarding weight, we have seen by these 4 Dhatus and Udit Dhatus. The list of Udit Dhatus are given, but I have not completed the list. I will do it later. The Udit list. Udit list is there. Another one list is there. Okay, that I have not done. So Udit Dhatu. Ukara is the ith letter. That is a function of the ith letter. Their weight optionally takes Ittakama. The list of Dhatus are given. So these Dhatus are weight. Optionally it. Another list is there, that is that I have not completed. I'll do it later. They are Udit Dhatus. Okay, sorry, Udit Dhatu. Ukara is the ith letter. So Udit Dhatus list is given. Udit Dhatus are weight Dhatus. What about Udit Dhatus? We will see. And here, I have added some more rules. Let us understand. We'll go from the first rule onwards. Shri Dhatu and Ukanta Dhatus or when followed by Kit, it is negated. Therefore, they will become Anit.
Anit.
Right? Shri Dhatu, Ukanta Dhatu, when followed by Kit, they become Anit. Therefore, Anit. That you remember. Similarly, Dhatu, Tuoshvi, Shvi Dhatu. These are in the list of Ajanta Dhatus. Anyway, Tuoshvi and the Dhatus which have Ikara as ith letter, that is Idit Dhatus. They are Anit.
Anit.
With regard to Nishtha, okay, we are talking with regard to Nishtha Pratyaya. Number 2. Number 3, when the Dhatu gets optional itum anywhere in the Shastram, that Dhatu with regard to Nishtha will be considered to be Anit. For that, we need to know Udit Dhatus, because there is a rule, Udit will be optionally it. Therefore, what are all the Udit Dhatus? That list is given. That's why I said that list is not completed. You can see the list, Grasu, Shramu, Damu, etc. All these are Udit Dhatus. Udit Dhatus are weight. Udit Dhatus will be optionally it. When followed by Pratyaya. Therefore, with regard to Nishtha Pratyaya, it is
Anit.
Udit Dhatus are also, weight, but it is in different context. It is Udit Dhatus. Because of the Ukara as ith letter, when Varadi Adhatuka Pratyaya follows, they will get optional Itvam. Okay, they will get optional it. That is why Udit Dhatus are, you can see, they are given in this list. Why means optionally Udit Dhatus. In fact, we can say Udit Dhatus, they are weight. Optionally, it will take it. Therefore, with regard to Nishtha, it is Anit. Simple.
Anit.
Right? Ukara or Ukara. Right? Fine.
Yeah.
So, see, condensed information. Then I've added some more rules. Now, you please see number 4. And some more will come, but slowly I'm adding. Let us know the new rules. A Takaradi Adhatuka Pratyaya. Can you tell some Takaradi Adhatuka Pratyaya?
Tumun.
Very good, Tumun. Then Twa.
Yeah.
Nishtha Pratyaya itself. Tavatu, right?
Tavatu. Druch.
Trich. All these are somewhat maybe there. These are takaradi pratyaya, adhatu pratyaya, right? Now, for the following dhatus, please see issue. Even though ukara is it letter, udit, but still ish dhatu, shak dhatu, lup dhatu, rush dhatu, and rish dhatu. These rush and rish into ganas, but take both the dhatus. They will take optionally it. It's a rule. Okay. They are wait dhatus. We call these are wait dhatus.
Wait.
When takaradi pratyaya follows. There are other adhatuka pratyas which are not takara. Okay. Among the vowel letter, other vowel letter follow. But when takaradi specifically follow, they are wait. When other vowel letter follows, depending on what the dhatu is. Okay. We'll take it or whatever it is. But when takaradi adhatuka pratyaya follows, these dhatus will optionally becomes allows itagama. Therefore, they become state. So when takaradi adhatuka pratyaya following these dhatus will take itagama optionally. Therefore, what will happen when nishta pratyaya follows?
Anit.
Anit. Therefore, by the rule, what already I have seen, if a dhatu gets an optional itam anywhere in the shastram, that dhatu will become anit when nishta pratyaya follows. By this rule, all the 5 above dhatus will become
Anit. When followed by nishta.
Therefore, this also you have to note. These are also anit dhatus only, right? Shakara, you can see shakara ending, hakara ending, bakara ending, shakara ending, and shakara. Shakara ending 3 dhatus are there. Ish, rush, rish. Now just go and see the halanta list. The list of halanta dhatus. Do we have those dhatus here?
No.
We don't have those dhatus here. Then those dhatus are what? They are not anudata dhatus, right? If they are ekacha anudata dhatus, they will not take itagama. They will not allow itagama, right? If they are ekacha anudata dhatus, then they are anit. But they are not. They are not anudata. How do we know? Not in the list, right? You follow? That is why they allow itagama when takaradi pratyaya follow. When nishta pratyaya follows, that is not allowed. Therefore, those 5 dhatus we can infer because it is not in the list. They are not anudata dhatus. They must be whatever may be. Okay, maybe swarita or maybe udata. You can check from the dhatu kosha, dhatu pata. That we are not interested. So, but not this much. These are not in the list. Similarly, other 2 dhatus also. And these dhatu, will be takaradi pratyas will take itagama optionally. Okay. These dhatus are not in the list. Therefore they are set or anit.
They are set.
They are set dhatus, right? And when takaradi pratyaya follows, it can become optionally anit also. Therefore we say wait. Therefore we say wait, right? It's wait dhatu. These 5 dhatus are wait dhatus. Wait optionally allows itagama for the takaradi pratyas, right? Now, because some optionality is there, therefore with regard to nishta pratyaya, these dhatus would be considered to be
Anit.
Understand? So, therefore in your mind, you have to understand like this. Note like this. These 5 dhatus are anit because we are discussing only nishta. So note, these 5 dhatus are anit wherever it comes, because in the list it is there. In the category list, right? These dhatus are there. When you come across these dhatus, note anit. Therefore, no itagama. So for ish plus tavatu or ish plus ta become ishta. Ishta devata comes from this dhatu only, right? Okay. Then number 5. This is very specifically for a dhatu, klish dhatu. I have changed in the document also. It was previously Murdani Shakara, but that was no such dhatu. It is Talavi Shakara, klish dhatu. Klish, no, in Gita also that the word comes, if you remember, Gita,
So
12th,
Klesha is from this.
yeah, Klesha from this, Klesho Adhikaras Tesham. It comes in the Gita, 12th chapter, if I
Avyakta
remember.
Sakta Chetasam.
Yeah, exactly. Avyakta Sakta Chetasam, that is shloka number 5. Avyakta Gikatir Dukkam, Egavad Bira Bhapyate, Klesho, Kleshaha Adhikaraha Tesham. The Kleshaha, difficulty, that is this dhatu. Very specifically, this dhatu, when the pratyas, tva, ta, and tavatu, follows. The pratyas will take optionally it. There's a rule also. Klishaha, tva nishta yogo, meaning pratyas, tva nishta pratyas, following the klish dhatu will be optionally said. Will take it agama optionally. So, therefore, ta and tavatu, when ta and tavatu follows, see, not said just a twa follows. Even when ta and tavatu follows, it will be, the
Even
pratyaya
for
will
nishta.
take optionally itagama. It
It's
means you will have two forms. Here you will have two forms of klish dhatu. Okay, please note. Because when ishta pratyaya follows, when the ardhatuka nishta pratyaya, ta tavatu, right? They take itagama optionally for the dhatu klish. The sutra includes twa also. That's why I wrote twa nishta yogo. Nishta pratyaya take itagama optionally. Therefore, two forms will be there. Two forms means what could be the form? Klish plus becomes klishi. Klishi tavat or klish tavat. Right? Two forms. With it, without it. Please note. This dhatu is, therefore this dhatu is weight with regard to nishta, right?
Yes.
Only nishta if you take. So I'll leave it. This is also weight. So like the 5 dhatus. Ish, Shak, Luk, Rush, Ish. These are 5 weight dhatus. Similarly, Klish also weight dhatus. Weight dhatu. But the point is, these 5 dhatu will not allow itagama for pratyaya, and whereas this dhatu will allow. That's a difference. Okay. That's a difference. Anyway, for nishta pratyaya you take these 5 dhatus. The 5 dhatus are given here. So these 5 dhatus will not allow itagama for the adhadhataka pratyaya, nishta pratyaya. Very specifically, takaradi pratyaya, we take only nishta pratyaya. So nishta pratyaya following these 5 dhatus will be anit, and nishta pratyaya following klish dhatu will be weight. Two forms you will have. Is it clear? The 4 and 5. There's a difference.
Yes.
Okay. Because confusion may come or don't may come. Here some optionality is therefore with regard to nishta, shouldn't be anit. No. Tavatu follows itself, itagama is optional. Okay. Understand? When nishta pratyaya follows, then the itagama is given an optionality. When nishta pratyaya itself follows. Okay, don't confuse with this rule. Dhatu getting optional itvam anywhere in the Shastram, with regard to nishta, it will be anit. Okay. This doubt may come. That's why I'm saying this. Is it clear? Number 5, point number 5.
Yes.
Okay, the next one. Dhatus of the Radhadi Antargana. Okay, Radhadi Antargana. I'm just, okay, I'll teach a little more. Okay, we'll see the Dhatu Pata. You open the Dhatu Pata. If you have Dhatu Pata, please keep it open. Radhadi Antargana. You see, the Dhatu Rad. Radhadi Antargana, in which Gana Rad Dhatu is?
Rudhiram.
Rad Dhatu. Radhadi. Rad Adi. Adi Padat, it is a list, is a group. It is Divadigana. Okay. Rad Dhatu in Divadigana. You can see the document itself. I have given all the thing to you. You can see Rad Dhatu in Divadi, right? So Divadi Antargana means all the dhatus must be in Divadi. The list of dhatus beginning with Rad. So Radhadi Antargana. Antargana meaning subgroup. Gana meaning group. What is the group? Divadi Gana. In Divadi Gana, we have one subgroup which is called Radhadi. Right? Understand? So go to the Divadi Gana. Divadi Gana Rad Dhatu. Okay, you find out. Rad is the first dhatu of the Antargana. Here it is Divadi Gana. You please see Rad if you happen to see, you know, Radhadi. Atta Radhadeha, something would be there. Here it is. Do you see that? The screen.
Rad inside.
Is that right? Atta Radhadeha. So Divadigana, we have got an Antargana. Radha, the first dhatu, Imsa Samradhyoho. So Imsa Samradhyoho, meaning to hurt, to kill. That is the meaning. So, and Nash dhatu, Mudaninakara. What will happen? Dhatu is okay. It becomes Dantinakara. We know. What is the rule? Aupadeshika, Mudanya Shakara, Murdaninakara will be replaced by Sakara and Nakara respectively. Right? I'm just combining both. Sattam and Nuttam we have seen. So Nash is the dhatu. Adarshane, not, it disappears. That's why it's called destruction. Goes away from sight. Okay, then Trip dhatu, and the swaras are given. Tripi, Anudata, Udateto, okay, Drug dhatu, Muk dhatu, Shnuk dhatu. All these dhatu we know. Drug, Muk, Shnuk, Va, Druga, Mukha, Shnuga, Niham. Remember? Drug dhatu, Muk dhatu, Shnuk dhatu, Snik dhatu. What will happen to them? 4 dhatus we have seen. Sandhi. Anybody, do you remember? Huh? Yeah.
Gatvam.
Yes, Gattam, and Gattam is optional. Therefore, Dattam can happen. Therefore, 2 possibilities, right? Do you remember Sandhi?
Muha and Mukta.
Va, Druga, Muha, Shnuga, Shnigam. That is the rule, Sutra. Hakara will be replaced by optionally Dakara when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam. So, Sandhi we have seen. Okay. Atta, then Radhadeya Vrittaha means that Radhadi list stops here. So these are the dhatus. Okay. Radhadi, Antargana, which is in Divadigana. Okay. Now coming back. See, I've written all the dhatus and the meaning of it. So Divadigana, list of this dhatus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what about these dhatus? These dhatus, Radhadi Antargana dhatu, will be optionally said. It means they are wait. When Ardhatuka Pratyaya follows. When Ardhatuka Pratyaya follows, they will be optionally said. Therefore, what will happen with regard to Nishtha?
Anit.
Anit. Therefore, okay, I have to write. Within bracket also given the Nishtha Rupa. Therefore, with regard to Nishtha, they are Anit. Therefore, they will Anit Dhatuhu and Baladi Adhatuka Pratyaya, that is Set Anukula Pratyaya. But Dhatu is Anit. Therefore, no Ittakama. Therefore, Radd plus Ta Pratyaya become Raddaha. I just written the Pullinga Rupa. Raddaha, Raddavan, Tavatu Pratyaya Rupa. Similarly, Trip becomes Triptaha, Triptavan, Trip plus Ta, or tavatu. Trip plus ta will be tripta. And when you decline in pullinga, triptaha, tripto, triptaha. Trip plus tavatu. Triptavatu, triptavan, triptavanto, triptavantaha. Similarly, druk. What will happen to druk? You know what will happen. All these sandhi rules you need to remember in this context. I just tell me what will happen. Druk plus ta prate. Is there any optionality here? Hakara replaced by gakara? We have an optionality, right?
Yes.
Va, druha, moha, shnuha, shniham, right? Anyway, Hakara can be replaced by Durga, Drugdhatu is there, right? Optionally replaced by Kakara. Anyway, that we are not interested now, just saying. Just okay. Then what will be the, suppose if we replace it? We can do that form also. Okay. I have not given the form. We can do that form also. It's not a thing. Drug plus ta. Suppose if you take that, so what will happen? Akara will be replaced by Dakara. Then after that, I'm just doing Sandhi. Okay, I'm not doing Ishta. Already this is, we have said this is Anit. Therefore, only Hakara replaced by Dakara. Suppose if it is said, then what will happen? Hakara will not be replaced by Dakara, right? That Hakara will be replaced by Dakara only when followed by Jal. When Ittagama comes, it is no more Jaladi. It is becomes Ajadi.
Yes.
There is no question of Hakara replaced by Dakara. So Anit Dhatu and said Anukula Pratyaya, therefore no Ittagama. Therefore the Sandhi rules will apply. I am doing only Sandhi rules, which already much familiar you are, right? Now tell me what will happen. Anybody, please unmute your mic and answer. What will happen?
Shrutva Sandhi.
Shrutva Sandhi, very good. Therefore, what will happen after Shrutva Sandhi? Okay,
Druddha.
becomes Takara becomes
Da.
not the Dakara.
Da.
Okay,
First.
da. Okay, yeah, Dakara.
Yes.
Yeah, da. Then
Druddha.
after that, what will happen? Dakara followed by Dakara.
Dakara become Lopaha.
And
The preceding
becomes Dirgha.
Dirgha. Therefore, you get Druda.
Druda.
That is a what? That is a Taprate Rupam. Drudaha, Drudau, Drudaha in Pullinge. Understand?
Yes.
Another optionality is, I have not given here, but I'm just saying
Dakara.
that Hakara will be replaced by
Gatvam.
Gatvam, Dakara. After that, the Takara is there, will be, what will happen to them? In fact, here the Takara replaces Dakara. Okay, I have not written the step, sorry. Gatvam happens, okay. I think you said, I didn't write. Yeah, the Takara is there because of which Akara replaced by Dakara. Then this just letter, and just letter precedes Takara replaced by Dakara, Dattvam. Then one is Tuttam happens, Dakara replaced by Dakara. After that, Dakara preceded by Dakara preceded by Dakara. This Dakara will become Lopa, Purvasi and Dirgha Bhavati. Okay, Drudaha iti Rupam. Now, Hakara replaced by Gakara, Gatvam. And then what will happen? This is a Jashanta. Jashanta. Takara or Takara preceded by this just letter will be replaced by Dakara. Dattvam, not Karicha.
Yes, good.
Karicha comes later.
Later.
You see a sequence of rule. Dattvam, Gatvam. No, after that, Dattvam comes. 8 to 40.
Yes, good.
Now what will happen? Gakara, Dakara. Cannot apply Shrutam and all.
Now Karicha will come.
Karicha. This is not a car letter at all.
Will not come. Car letter. Yes, good.
What will be the Rupam? You all learned, no? Sandhi very, we have done elaborately Sandhi.
Just one.
Yes, just one number?
2.
Yeah. This is the jal letter followed by jash. No other rule applies in between. No, cannot apply shrutam. No, cannot see. Therefore, go to justum, which is 53, right? At the end. Almost you have come to the end of the Tripadi, end of the Sutra Pata. Therefore, you will have
Drukta.
that is a form. Drugdaha. Drugdaha, drugdav, drugdaha. Or drugdavan, drugdavantav, drugdavandaha, tav to pratyaya, right?
Yes.
Any form is okay. This is how you get. I have not written that form, but anyway, you note this. You all remember these two sandhis? I mean, two forms we have done in the case of
Yes,
Dhatu and
Guruji,
Dhatu.
just trying to recollect.
Okay. See, Saṃskṛtam is very jealous. You have to hold on to it. Huh?
Yes, Guruji.
Very jealous wife it is. You cannot sidetrack it. Then she will fight. Okay. She always wants to be the top priority. They say Vedanta, but I am saying for Saṃskṛtam. Okay. Because we are studying Saṃskṛtam. Vedanta says a jealous person. Moksha means moksha it should be the priority. If other priority is there, then moksha will not allow, or moksha will disappear. Huh? Somebody Saṃskṛtam also, keep in touch. Okay. Anyway, this is a good time. You can recollect also. Let me do the same thing for other one. You have to tell the steps. Dhatu is Snig Dhatu. What is the form? This is Aupadeshika Dhatu. Now you have to tell the, you're moving the letter.
Snick.
What happens here? Satvam.
Snick. Then snick.
Right? Here, Shakara replaced by Sakara, therefore Nakara also becomes
Replaced.
Nakara.
I said one logic. What is the logic? Nimitta apaye,
Naimittika.
naimittika apayaha. If the karanam goes away, what will happen to the karya?
Also.
The clay is now, if clay also goes away, then where is pot? Huh? Pot is there only when clay is there. Snake is there only when rope is there. Rope itself is gone. Where is snake? Don't look for the snake. Huh? It's gone. Similarly here also. Nimitta apai. Nimittam is gone. Karanam is gone. Naimittika, karya also gone. So Shakara becomes Sakara. Then Nakara also will go back to its form. Nakara. Right? Now for snake now. Snake plus ta. Ta pratyaya. What will happen?
Akara replaced by Dakara.
Akara is one of the dhatu. You can see in that, optionality is there. So it can be replaced by
Dakara.
Dakara or then Gakara. Gakara by the Madruga. Then it is Dakara, and also Gattam is given an optionality. Anyway, we will do
Snick.
Yeah. First we will do Dattam and then we will do Gattam. So now it becomes Snig, right?
Yes.
After then next step. Remember the sequence, Nig, Dakara replaced by Gakara. Okay, I thought I will do Dattam first. Anyway, it's okay. No problem. I'm doing Gattam first.
Snick.
Just,
Dakara.
this is a just letter.
Yes.
And Takara or Takara following, that will be replaced by Dakara, Dattam. Remember, Dattam will happen. See, when you have a just letter, think of Dattam and Takara, and that too when Takara or Takara follows. Dattam. Then you can apply finally
Snick.
Just
Just two.
just a two. So Snigdaha is one group. Snigdaha, Snigdav, Snigdaha, right? Another form. In fact, this form we have seen in Sandhi, right?
Yes.
Suppose if it is said that the Ittagama comes, how do you apply this rule? Will not get it all.
No.
Okay. Now, second form is optionally replaced by. In fact, it is originally replaced by Dakara, optionally by Gattam. Okay, fine. Dakara. Now, then after that, now see, Dakara also just letters. Okay.
Just letter.
Fourth letter of the class consonants. If you see, then think of that form. And particularly when followed by Takara, Takara. That also important. Here, Takara or Takara, it is a Stani. Okay. That alone will be replaced by Dakara. the condition is should be preceded by just letter. Okay.
Just letter.
So then what will happen? This is being dakara, and dattam happens. Now you have snid plus the. Now tavarga and in contact with the tavarga letter which precedes, therefore.
Tavarga. Sid plus.
Yeah, therefore you will have.
Sid plus the.
But the right.
Takara followed by
Snid plus
takara. Takara goes away. The
Nidha.
preceding becomes dirgha.
dirgha. Therefore you will have snida. Snidaha, snido, snidaha. Snidavan, snidavanto, snidavantaha. We have two forms. I taken the yes, snidaha, one form. It's okay. Or you can write the two forms, both the forms. Both are fine. Okay. Fine. So clear that this is one. Similarly, we can do for the other mukh also. Mukh also two forms will be there. What are the two forms?
Mukha and Mudha.
Mukha and Buddha.
Moda.
And Shnuk will have two forms.
Snudha.
Noda.
And
Snugda.
Becomes Snugda.
Snugda.
Okay. So then, the Nishta Pratyaya Rupa, we can see in the bracket, one form I have written. It's okay. Nashdatu, next one if you take. Nashtaha, not Nashitaha. This is, Nashdatu is it there in the list of dhatus, Alanta dhatus? Please see. You will not see it.
No, it's not there.
Chakaranta, please keep this document also, what I sent you before that open.
There is no
Otherwise, I have to go
Lakaranta.
back.
Place it's not there.
It is not there. You see the list.
Yeah, it's not.
Not there. Therefore, the dhatu must be Nashdatu.
Say it.
Must,
Say
yeah,
it.
say it. To be in the list, the condition is it should be Ekach Anudata.
Anudata.
And it is not here. Therefore, it is not Anudata. If it is not Anudata, it has to be set or wait, whatever it is.
Wait.
Said. It has to be said dhatu. Okay. It is not it has to be said.
Say it.
Now, that said dhatu also what we do? Even though it's said dhatu, Radha the Antargana, the dhatu is there, that
Optionally
considered to
said.
be optionally said when Adadhatuka Pratyaya follows. Therefore, with regard to Nishta, it would be
Anit.
Anit. Therefore, no Ita Hava. That's the logic. See, like, going about around the Dravida Pranama. So, you have to come this. But that is how the rule is. If it is, if the dhatu is optionally it somewhere, then with regard to Nishta, it will not be.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Finally, not final. In fact, some more are there. I will do it in the next class. Now you take the dhatu, gush dhatu. Nishta pratyaya of the gush dhatu. Gush dhatu, if you see, the dhatu posha, dhatu pata. Gush dhatu. You know the word goshana.
Yeah.
That comes from this one. Goshana is making
Announcing.
proclamation, announcing. So, gush dhatu avishabdane. In the gushihi avishabdane. If you split a sandhi, avishabdane. That is the meaning. Avishabdane. To make a sound which is not clear, indistinct sound it is. Then the gush dhatu, in the sense of other than vishabdane, that is avishabdane, will not take it. In the sense of other than vishabdane. Gushi avishabdane. Vishabdane, na vishabdane, avishabdane. That is what I have written. Other than avishabdane, it will not take it. Okay, then note this. If it is vishabdane, it will take it. Right? Okay. Now, let us see the list now. Keep the list open, and the last class we have seen up to Jal. From there, we'll continue. Try to do as much as possible today. Then Artha Dhatu. Which Gana is that? See, up to Jal we have done last class. And some more rules I have added, which we have seen now. Then we'll start from the next Dhatu. 16th Dhatu in the list of Dhatus, first group. You can see Arth Dhatu. 10th Gana, which is Atmanepadi. It is okay. Atmanepadi it is. Can have, I don't know why I written Atmanepadi. You can say Ubepadi. because it is Yanta. Anyway, Atmanepadi is given here. Now, Artha plus Nich, because it is Najanta Dhatu, therefore it is Anekach. Anekach, therefore Set. So, Dhatu is Arti. Arti plus Tavatu. Because it is Set, Itagama comes. Then what will happen? Nishtayam Seti. When the Set Pratyaya follows, the Ni will disappear.
Lopa.
Remember? This I taught you already before. Remember?
Yes, yes,
Nishtayam
yes.
Seti.
Artitavat.
Nehe lopah bhavati.
Yes. Neke Lopa Bhavati when Nishta Pratyaya follows. Nishta Pratyaya and that should be Set. Okay. Nishtayam Seti. Right? Very important. Not just not in Nishta, just in Nishta Pratyaya. Nishtayam Seti. Okay, therefore you get Arti Tavat finally. Otherwise it becomes Arti Tavat. That is not the rule form. From the form itself, you can guess some rule must apply. Okay. Arti Tavan. Next, each Dhatu. Darshane. Mastakana. Each Dhatu. Is it there in the list? Shakar on the Dhatu? It is not in the list. I myself have written. If it is there in the list, then it must be. And it is not in the list, therefore it must be said. Therefore, taking Itagama, you get Ikshitavatu. See, you have to be familiar with the forms. I'm teaching you the rules. The rules you may not remember all the time. That is why for the beginners, I don't teach the rules. But you're not the beginners, okay? I just the document, whatever is there, the list I show, and these are the forms. You have to be familiar with the forms. How do you get familiarity? By using it. Frequently using it, translation, etc., you get familiarity. I don't teach for the beginners. Since you know and you are also interested, I have taught you the Dhatu Pata, how to refer to the Dhatu Pata, how to find out, the Swara, etc. So many things I taught you. So you know it. Katha, 10th Gana Dhatu, Charadi Gana Dhatu. Katha plus Nich, the Dhatu will become Kati. Anekash Dhatu. Therefore, it will be said. Therefore, the Rupam would be Kati plus Tavatu. Then afterward, this is Nishta Pratyaya taking Itagama. Therefore, Ni will become Lopaha. Nishtayam Seti. Yes, Kati Tavatu. Now comes Grish Dhatu. Okay, Grish, not Gush. Gush we will see later. This is Grish Dhatu. Okay. Grish Dhatu plus Tavatu. What will happen? Is it there in the list? Please see.
No.
This also would not be there in the list.
Not in the list.
Because it is not in the list, therefore it has to be
Said.
said. But what happened? This is Dhatu is Ukara is It. Already we have seen. Udit Dhatus are say, wait, right?
Wait.
Being Udit, it will be considered optionally it when followed by Tva Pratyaya. So therefore what will happen? With regard to Nishta, it will be Anit. Therefore, Grishi Tavat, sorry, Grish Tavat, no Itagama. This is what I want you to do it. If you can do this, then get a form. This step is important. I think all the dhatus, it's a good practice, in fact, to do for all the dhatus. Even though you know, just to do it. Simply. Even though you know, you do it.
Yeah.
Jwal dhatu. I thought from here we have to do. Anyway, okay. Jwal dhatu. So Jwal plus Tavatu. Jwal plus Tavatu. Is the Lakar of the dhatu in the list? Given here. It is not in the list. Therefore, said. Jwali Tavatu. Then Kapi. Kapi is what type of dhatu is this? Upadeshika dhatu, by seeing the form. Therefore,
Nummagama will come.
Nummagama. And the Nummagama becomes, the Nakara becomes Makara. How does it become, you know? Kapi, right? Idit dhatu. No condition. Idit dhatus will take Nummagama. It's the rule. That is the purpose of Ita letter, Ikara. Dhatus having Ikara, short bubble, okay, not Dirga, because Idit dhatus are also there. That we are not talking about. Idit dhatus will take Nummagama. Nummagama being a Mittagama, where it will come?
After the
First vowel.
After the, here the content is cup only.
Yes.
So it is Ekach only, Ekach dhatu. So after A,
After that.
That is why it has come here, right? Okay, then after that, what will happen? You know the rules.
Apadanta nakara makara will become anuswara.
When followed by
Jal.
jal letter, nascha. Apadanta nakara makara when followed by jal. Makara is a jal letter or not?
Yes.
Jal letter. Therefore, it will become anuswara. Then after that, what will happen?
Anuswara will become Yai Parasavarna.
Yai Parasavarna.
When yai letter follows, anuswara will be replaced by parasavarna.
Savarna Anusasna. Anuna.
Therefore,
Ma.
there is anuswara, anunasika letter, because this anuswara being anunasika. Anunasika letter of pavarga is makara.
Makara.
Right? Therefore, anuswara will be replaced by makara.
Makara.
You see, nakara becomes makara, not directly, becoming anuswara and then parasavarna. Similarly, this dhatu we have seen, this nidhi.
Yes.
First is nakara.
Nakara.
Nidhi. Ikara is ita letter. Content is nid only. Being idit dhatu, numagama. Nind. Here nothing happens because
Nakara.
here also you have to do it. In fact, the step you have to follow. Nakara is apadanta nakara, followed by
Jal.
jal letter. Therefore, becomes nind. After that, parasavara.
Back to the
Yeah. Even though same form, but you have to do the steps because this comes at the end of the Tripadi, right? Then we get. So this is the purpose of ita letter. I mean, these are the purposes, not only this. Here in this numagama purpose is there. Itagama, we have seen. We have got idit dhatus, we have got odit dhatus, we have got adit dhatus, akara as ita letter. All have some usages. Okay, the ita letters. Now, kapi. Being idit dhatu, you get numagama, therefore it becomes kam. All those things I have not written. Okay, you know it. This pakara the dhatu. Is it done the list? No. Therefore, say it. So, kampitavat. Similarly, mil dhatu. This also not in the list. Therefore, it is not a anudata dhatu. Therefore, it must be said. Chur dhatu. Which gana? First gana. I mean, first dhatu of the churadigana. First churadigana chur dhatu. First dhatu. Therefore, chur plus nich you get chori. And chori is anekaj. Therefore, set. And chori plus tavatu, itavatu will come. Then what will happen?
Ikara of the dhatu will drop.
Nishtayam seti.
Nishtayam seti, nehe lopaha. Nehe, very specifically ne. That is ne means nich. Ne means which means e. Right? That e because of nich. That e goes away.
Chor itavat.
And nad. First thing is what will happen? This is upadeshika dhatu. Replaced by dantenakara. Nad. Okay. Then after that, nad plus tavatu. Is it that the list? Please see the list. Not in the list. Therefore, state. Nadi tavatu. Nidhi. This is what I did now. Nidhi dhatu. Therefore, numagama comes. Right. Okay, I've written how it comes also. Okay. Finally. Nindi plus tavatu. Not in the list. You can see the list, it is not there. Therefore, itakama, nindi tavatu. See, these all forms are very simple and easy. See, suppose if I ask you, I scolded you, you tell me in the past tense. You make the translation. Not lang lakara, okay. I'm asking.
Anindat. Anindam.
Yeah, you see, you have to struggle, right? You have to do it. What is the form? What could be the form? It is nindadatu, parasipadi atmanipadi, number one, right? Then anindata, manindan, anindaha, anindata, manindata, anindam. Okay, agam, vam, anindam. You have to struggle to find. But this, once you know the form, it is very easy. Agam, vam, nindita. If I am masculine, ninditavan, feminine, ninditavati. That is the usage of this kadanta. No, langlakara difficult. You have to start from the pratham purusha ekavachanam up to uttama purusha. You have to come down. By the time the speaker would have left you. I mean, the listener would have left you. Okay, you are the speaker. So better use kadanta easy. So Nagam Ninditavan, simple. And that too Nindana is there. Who will listen to listen to your Ninda? They will run away. Okay. The moment you start thinking, you run away. Okay, before he scrolls, let me go away. Okay. So use Kridanta. Then next one, Pal. It is also Churadigana, therefore Pal plus Nich becomes Pali, Anekash Dhatu, therefore say, therefore get same step. Palitavat, Nege, Nishtayam Seti, Lopaha Bhavati. Remember. Okay, with this is over. Next one is Dhatus taking Ittakama. Okay, how many are there? Many are there. If many are there, I think we'll stop here. Oh, yeah, 13 are there. I won't be able to complete this. I'll send this document. You can go through this. Maybe some I will do. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
The second category. Okay, Dhatus taking no Ittakama. So like that, all the categories will do, and more some. More, I mean, you'll see more rules. Not only the rules pertaining to Nishtha Pratyaya, even the rules. The Angakarya related rules and all will come. We will see. So second category we will do. So second category, I myself have said in the topic, taking no Ittakama. Therefore, you know. Ship Dhatu. It is Pakaranta Dhatu. It is on the list? Yes. Therefore, it must be.
Yes, Guruji.
And it
is
It is an it.
Ekach Anudata Dhatu. Therefore, no Ittakama. Simple. Shiptavat. Trasu. Therefore, what do you remember?
Optionally, it when followed.
Udit Dhatus. Therefore,
So they are
is
when it
even though this Dhatu is not in the list, Sakara Dhatu, it has to be considered said, but being Udit, it will be considered optionally said when followed by Twa. Right? Therefore, with regard to Nishtha, it would be
Anit.
That's the connection. Okay. Udit Dhatus are optionally said with regard to Twa Pratyaya, therefore, with regard to Nishtha, it is Anit. So, Drastavat. Dhriti. This also, you know, Idit Dhatus. Very specific.
When followed by Nishtha or Anit.
Anit. Therefore, just straightforward. This Takarada Dhatu is not in the list, therefore it has to be said, but being Idit Dhatu, it will not support Ittakama when Nishtha Pratyaya follows, right? Therefore, Nrittavat. And Asu is Udit Dhatu. Therefore, when Nishtha Pratyaya, when Twa Pratyaya follows, optionally
said.
Therefore,
it will Anit when
it Nishtha.
The Sakaranta Dhatu is not in the list, therefore it has to be considered said, but being Udit, it will be considered optionally it when followed by Twa, therefore the Dhatu will become, Dhatu will be added. Then DP,
Idit Dhatus are Nishtha, when followed by Nishtha, they are Anit.
Anit. Therefore, this Pakaranta Dhatu not in the list, therefore it has to be considered said, but being Idit, you have to write like this. First in the list it is not there. Therefore it is, see, the Swara is not Udata. Must be, the Swara it's not Anudata. Must be Udata or Swarita, whatever it is. We are not interested. But being Idit Dhatu. Therefore it will not support Ittakama when Nishtha Pratyaya follows. Gupu, Udit Dhatus. Udit, what will happen? Optionally, wait, already we have seen, right? The 4 Dhatus plus Udit Dhatus, they are optionally said. That is weight. Under weight category, we have those Dhatus. Now, this Pakaran Dhatu, see the list, it will not be there.
It's not there in the list.
It means it is not Anudata, it must be other than Anudata, Udata or Swarita. Therefore, it must be said. But being Udit, therefore, what will happen? This is a rule. Hearing Udito Va. Optionally, Ittom is ordained. Therefore, with regard to Nishtha, no Ittakama. Therefore, the form is Guptavat. Similarly, Tap Dhatu, Pakaranta Dhatu. It is in the list.
In the list of
Therefore, Anudata, Ekasha Anudata Dhatu.
So
therefore,
it is Anit.
Anit, no Ittakama. Lupl.
It is also in the list of 1 or 2.
Therefore, it is Anit.
It is Anit.
Apple also it is on the list. Therefore, it is also Anit. Shakle.
It is also in the list. So it is Anit.
It is, in fact, it is, I think Kakaranta, only one Dhatu is there, right? Shakle. and it. Shapa,
Is also in the list.
Yes, Guruji.
yeah, therefore
So
and
it
it.
is on it.
And Kriti, Idit Dhatu,
Idit Dhatu.
Takarata Dhatu not in the list. Okay, therefore it has to consider it,
By
but being
Nishta,
Idit
it is on it.
Idit, it is.
and it.
And
And Vritu, Udit Dhatu,
Udit
Twa
Dhatu,
Pratyaya follows, it will be optional it, therefore with regard to Nishta,
it is on it.
and it. And also this, you can say this Dhatu, it's not in the list, therefore it, but it is negated. Okay. Okay, up to D, up to C, B we have done, C and D, I think 2 category we'll do in the next class.
Okay.
I've done C and D. If you come prepared, it'll be easy. Just quickly you can go through the lines.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
See, I have done my to D. I'm not complete because I'm not in time. Slowly, I think I will do. Then E and E from E onwards I have to do. And other rules come. Some rules pertaining to the Angakari, etc. That all will come. And specific rules, nothing to do with the Nishta. We will see.
Okay. So you are
Yes,
sending
okay.
this document today, Guruji?
I send you now.
Yes,
Okay,
Yeah.
Guruji. Thank you.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. I sent the
Dhanyavad
document to
Dhanyavad,
you.
Guruji.
I sent that document. Please check.
Okay, Guruji. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavadaha.